The best tall perennials for every growing zone picked by the experts. Bells of Fire Tecoma, a stunning shrub that is easy to grow. The Bells of Fire Tecoma is a compact version that produces red-orange trumpet-like blooms. Bloom season is generous, lasting from spring until frost. It is easy to grow. It is self-cleaning and loves the sun. Big Bluestem Grass. When planting a landscape, it's easy to overlook ornamental grasses like Big Bluestem Grass, Andropogon, gerardii. But home gardeners should look again. Feathered friends. Flashy Flamingo Ajuga. Flowers are often the standout feature of plants and the blooms of the feathered friends. Flashy Flamingo Ajuga are lovely, but it's hard to compete with the bold golden yellow foliage. Gateway Joe Pye Weed. Eupatorium maculatum is a native plant of North America and one of the best plants for attracting pollinators and other wildlife. Joe Pye Weed Gateway is a new introduction that has a more compact and sturdy structure while still delivering the height and gratefulness of the native variety. Holy Smoke Big Bluestem Grass. Ornamental grass is a great way to add color and texture to a space, and the Holy Smoke Big Bluestem Grass is a beautiful option. Also known as Andropogon gerardii, the tall, upright stems have narrow, arching foliage in a bluish-green hue. Porcupine grass. Porcupine grass has a tall, columnar structure and spiky foliage that will make a big statement in a small space. The mostly upright leaves grow in a rosette formation and will gently bend under their weight. Rouge Cardinal Clematis. The vigorous growth and large red flowers of the Rouge Cardinal Clematis make it a must for any garden. Growing to 6 to 12 feet tall, Rouge Cardinal Clematis was born to climb and develop sumptuous red flowers 4 to 6 inches across on a framework of green foliage. Summerific Evening Rose Hibiscus. With their hot pink ruffled petals, a texture akin to seersucker fabric, and contrasting purple, almost black foliage, the huge 8-inch blooms of Summerific Evening Rose Mallow are sure to become your favorite part of summer. Twilight Zone. Little Bluestem Grass. The Twilight Zone. Little Bluestem Grass, also known as the Schizocerium scoparium Twilight Zone perennial, brings a touch of magic to your garden. Viva Polonia Clematis Vine. Viva Polonia. Clematis vine is an easy-care climbing plant full of hot pink flowers with a white star center. Clematis is a popular climber for adding color to vertical structures such as trellises, poles, and posts. Explore the best tall perennials for every growing zone picked by the experts. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.